Today's lesson is investigation 4.2, and we're trying to find x and y intercepts. Now, what we're trying to do is understand what an x and y intercept is. The first thing we have to do is look at the fact that it's not really an interception, it's an intersection. So what we're trying to do is see where this line would cross both the x and y axis. We can see this two ways. First, visually, x equals -4 is where this line goes through the point on the x-axis -4. To find the y-intercept, we just look at where the intersection of that line occurs, which is -3. So we would simply write that the x-intercept is -4 and the y-intercept is -3. The second way to determine x or y intercept is to simply let x or y equal 0. So if x is 0 in this problem right here, we'd have 3 times 0 equals, or minus -2y equals 12. Well, 3 times 0, that whole term goes away, and we're going to have -2y equals 12, and our point is going to be divided by -2, and y equals -6 is going to be our y-intercept. We have to do the same thing to find the x-intercept. Here we can let the y point equal 0. So 3 times x minus 2 times 0 equals 12. Of course, this whole term is just going to be blown away, boom, and we're going to have 3x equals 12, and divide it all out by 3, x equals 4. So our x-intercept is going to be +4. Now we can take that information, y equals -6 and x equals 4, and actually graph the equation. So if we say that our x-intercept is -4, oh, that's not good. Now if we take that information, y equals -6 as our intercept and x equals 4, we can actually come up with 2 points for a line. So if we say x equals 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, this point right here is our x-intercept, and where does it cross the y-axis? It goes through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's -6. Now all we have to do using that information is connect that with a very funky line right here. Boom, and we have actually graphed a line using only our x and y intercepts. That's what we're going to do more of today. Get ready for Cornell Notes.